So hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today is day 5 and my today topic is freelancing. I will tell you about freelancing, what is freelancing and how to start a freelancing. So I will guide you step by step. So freelancing is a online earning method where you can sell your service individually. It's not a job. It's a employee type. So if you have any skill like video editing, graphic design, website design, then you can sell your service to other individual person or a company and you can earn money. So you can take charge per project, that is called freelancing. So how to start a freelancing? It's a great way to earn money online, and the benefit of freelancing is you can earn money from anywhere in the world. It's don't matter where you stay, sorry, but you can earn money from anywhere in the world if you have a good skill and knowledge. That is the thing. So how to start? First, if you don't have any skill, you have to choose your niche. There are lots of niche where you can work and charge a good price, like video editing. Nowadays video editing is popular, and also reel editing, reel video, and graphic design, website design, apps design. This kind of thing you can offer clients, and you can earn money. If you don't know any skill, and you can choose as per your interest, and you can learn those skill from online courses or YouTube. You will get free. You will get everything free on YouTube. So you will learn it from YouTube also. Otherwise you can buy online course also from Udemy or other platform. That's it. So after choosing your niche and after like expert in a particular skill, you can start your freelancing journey. So the second thing is where you will get your client, right? So for getting your client, there are lots of freelancing platform also where you will create your profile and is looking for your client, like Upwork, freelancing.com, and Fiverr. These are the popular platform where you can create your profile for selling your service. But it's very saturated right now because there are lots of competition over there. So you can find candidate yourself also, like you can reach out to the business owner by email and calls and WhatsApp chat, and you can reach out from LinkedIn also. LinkedIn is a best platform that I before mentioned on my previous video, that if you don't have any LinkedIn profile, LinkedIn is a social media platform where you can create your profile, optimize your profile and bio, that will help to reach out better clients. And LinkedIn clients are very genuine. Maximum are genuine you will get on LinkedIn. So it's a best platform where you can find your um, clients. So you can deal with Indian clients and foreign clients also. So that is a thing. And apart from that, sorry, you can try on Google My Business also, where there are lots of business listed and you can reach out to them and you can piece your services. If they are interested, then you can sell your services. For that you need to become you need to be a good communicator, because if you know how to communicate and how to sell a product, then obviously you can sell your service also. So for that you need to know how sales work. So that is a skill. If you know, then you can sell anything to your customer. So you can work on there also. And apart from that, if you start freelancing, then you can start. It's a very good earning source if you do like seriously and give your time. Then it will be a great method from earn money, like from online earning. But you need to give lots of time for that, because it's not like that you will get your client from day one or day two. You need to give your time and finding your clients regularly. Then after within a month you will get your client. So you need to give effort 100%, otherwise you will not get clients automatically. so you need to be give effort there. So if you like this video, if you like, then like my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.